Good morning.
Good morning.
Today is summer. Oh, look. Ganda ng araw. Tapos, ang init din.
So forecast today is 20 degrees high.
20 ba?
Forecast.
OMG. Hi. Mainit na. Pero kahapon medyo chilly pa ng slight. And then biglang init.
Samahan
Kinda
natin
weird.
Breakfast, guys. Breakfast? Actually,
Brunch.
lunch na. Pero,
Siguro lunch. Mostly lunch.
Yeah.
Hindi namin alam kung available pa yung breakfast. But, yeah, we're gonna go. Tapos, mag-nature tayo ng slight. Kasi,
Ito nga si Eddie, no?
oo. Mag-nature tayo ng a little bit after. Di pa namin alam, di pa kami decided kung saan. But, yeah. And since, mainit na, sunny na, kailangan na natin ng sunglasses.
Grabe. Ayaw kong ilagay si Eddie dito sa summer.
Okay.
Naawa ko.
Okay. So, sa loob siya. The summer. But anyways, alis na tayo muna. We'll see you at the A&W. Hello everyone. We have now arrived at A&W. As always, dito lagi tayong kumakain ng brunch, breakfast, or lunch. Ayan, may mga coupons kami.
This one is really good kasi the spicy habanero chicken burger na combo. It's
16 na.
Yeah, 15 to 16. And then this one, mabuti na meron tayong ganito because it's only $9 here.
Yeah.
So, kahit na may tax, hindi pa rin gaano.
Minsan lang kami makakuha ng ganito, honestly, dun sa, sa building. Kasi usually, minimail nila. Pero ngayong mga, modern times, wala na masyadong coupons. Ikaw, anong gusto mo dito? Or are you gonna try if they still have breakfast? Yeah. Okay. So, ayan. Pili mo na ako. Ayan, andito na kami. We ordered. Tatanong siya for butter. Okay, we are now done. Sarap siguro mag-ano sa labas. Mag-eat sa labas. Kaso lang, sunscreen. Yeah, let's go. One second. I don't know wait. The car is not hot. I don't know why you're standing there. Okay, so we don't know where we're going now. Okay, we're gonna think. Okay, BRB.
So, pupunta tayo ngayon ng
Sasamant Lake.
Sasamant Lake. Sasamat Lake. Ano ba yan? Sasamat Lake. So, mga almost an hour drive siya. Pero kanina pa kasi kami nagda-drive. Mga 10 minutes na nakaraan. So, it's, 46 minutes na drive going there. And, yeah. Let's go.
Okay.
Ang ganda ng mountains. My God. Alam niyo ba guys, nung nag-winter, hindi talaga kami nagka-chance ni Kim na umakyat ng Whistler man lang or ng Grouse or ng Seymour Mountain man lang because sobrang careful kami sa snow dahil nga hindi kami naka-winter tires. It would have been nice pero I think hindi pa talaga tama this year. Siguro hopefully next year matry namin yung ganyan. I know for sure si Kim kasi gusto niya ski. Di ba gusto mo mag-ski? Yeah, gusto niya ng ganun. Pero dahil hindi kami equipped, hindi kami prepared sa mga ganun klaseng aktibidades for this year, siguro we'll try it next year hopefully. And then now na tapos na yung winter, may enjoy naman natin ngayon ang view ng mga cherry blossoms dito. Pero so far, yung mga nakikita namin mga trees ng cherry blossoms, pa-blossom pa lang yung mga cherry blossoms. Hindi pa talaga siya lumalabas. Pero hopefully pag may makikita kami or madaanan kami na medyo nakikita na yung mga pink-pink, i-video namin guys. So, yeah. Yun lang. Guys, may nakita ako, nakalagay dito Basak, Pardo, Cebu. May barangay kasi sa Cebu na Basak. Wala lang, naisip ko lang. Gusto ko lang siya isali dito sa vlog. Okay. We're now here sa Port Moody Fire Rescue. Meron palang dito guys, something. Kaya medyo mabagal yung traffic natin ngayon. Yeah, train station. Yung ano to? Treva Center Station. And then there's another one coming na na fire something. Fire truck.
I don't think that one's
Ano ba yun? Rescue. Something
I think they're just
rescue.
gonna go straight.
Okay, yeah. Pero andito na kami ngayon. Malapit na guys. Siguro mga na lang. Ilang minutes na lang makakarating na kami doon.
11 minutes, 15 minutes like that.
Huh?
Mga 15 minutes.
Okay, mga 15 minutes daw kami. So, siguro naman malapit na talaga to. And, yeah, mag-update na lang kami mamaya. Nag-stop muna kami dito sa Starbucks, guys, na nadaanan namin. We wanted to try yung ang tawag nito? Lavender oat na na shaken matcha. Iced lavender oat matcha tea latte. And then ito, I'm glad. Alam ko meron naman sila lagi nito, pero it's good kasi for ngayon na season, lalo na pag tag-init. Una kong na-try itong brown sugar oat shaken espresso nung nag-Seattle kami. And then, nagustuhan ko talaga siya. And then, from simula nun, lagi ko na siyang ino-order. But then, nung nag-winter, syempre, nag-stop tayo because it's ice. But we always get either soy milk or merong oat. Yung hindi whole milk. Right? Wow, ang ganda. Andito na tayo ngayon sa Sasamat.
Sasamat Lake. Pero hindi
Sasamat
kami sure
Lake.
kung dito talaga.
Yeah, hindi namin sure kung saan yung area for tourists or for visitors kasi
Residential to.
oo, residential area to. Wala kaming mahanap na pero mamaya siguro i-explore namin, tinitignan lang namin ngayon kung saan kami pwedeng dumaan because hindi kami sure. Pero mukhang may town sila doon, no? Parang merong doon, something doon na area. We'll see. Pero ang ganda dito guys, ang lalaki ng bahay. They're all super pang-retire na siguro to na yung mga bahay, sabi ni Kim, parang
Old money.
mga old monies, retirees monies.
Hey, we need to look up kung saan.
Okay guys, wait lang.
So, we are finally here. Oh, sorry. Lock ko muna yung car. Keep forgetting. Yeah. And we're finally here.
Kasi ba? Susi?
Oo. Ayan. I don't think we've ever been here together. Pero here. Yeah. I think this is where I learned how to swim, honestly. When I was a child. May trail din dito eh. 1 hour. I think we can do it, no? You think?
So are we like
Okay lang naman.
physically
It's an easy trail. No pets daw beyond this point. Ayan, may beach. Eme siya. Ayan. Medyo blurry ba? Oh, let me. Ayan. Looks better. Cute, no? Ay. May ano ulit pagbaba namin. Ayan. Ayan.
sana I think mag-park doon because they're
Yeah, close pa ang concession. Ayun, no? Cute siya. Puno to pag summer.
Oh, may barbecue.
Nakakamiss mag-barbecue, guys. Hindi kami nagdala kasi we didn't expect na makakahanap kami ng pupuntahan today. So, yeah. We're gonna look for the trail and we're gonna walk that trail. Oh, nakaubos si Kuya dun. Ayan. Ganda. Hindi na kami mag-walk sa ano guys, sa trail kasi medyo natatakot kami today.
Ah, tayo? Ikaw?
Ako, natatakot ako today. So, we're just gonna stay here. Ayan, ganda. Cutie. Ayan. Nakasikat sa bears. Ako naman takot ako sa mumu. So, that's where we're at. Ayan yung trail pala. Ayan. Loop lang siya, tapos 1 hour. Kaso lang, hindi ko ata carry at the moment. So, we're not gonna push it. We're just gonna enjoy this view. Nakakita niyo ba guys? Nakalagay ano? Ocean underwater object. Yan. Oh. Wala. Blurry naman. Yan. Ganda ng day today. Yeah, we're just walking to the other side. Marami pala tong sides.
Side A, side B.
Yeah. Yan. Parang same view, different area. Yan. Cutie.
Ano yung banda doon na parang doon?
Doon nata tayo nang galing kanina. You think? Medyo connected kasi yun. Yan. Walking. Alright, so andyan tayo. Parang maganda din dito, Jog Island. Tingnan mo. No?
Oh, yeah. Parang ano talaga siya.
Oo.
Saan ba tayo napunta last time? Yung
Hindi
Belcara
yun.
din yun, di ba?
Oo, Belcara.
Picnic area rest.
Saan ba yun? Eh, Belcara to. Maka dito. Hindi namin alam. Ah! Right there.
Carabela.
Pwede palang lakarin from here. Ano to? What is this one?
Springboard Trail?
Oh, so pwedeng lakarin from here to there. Spider! So nakahanap kami ng spot. We're just here. Enjoying the view. Nge! I love the view. Nge! The view. Yan. Wala rin kami proper shoes today. Ayan. Ano, Converse at saka kids.
Hindi naman namin alam na pupunta kami dito ngayon.
Yeah. Okay guys. Pauwi na. Woo! Uwi na ba tayo?
I don't know, ikaw.
Ewan ko, may gusto ko ba larin? Saan ba? Tasan?
Malayo na dito yun eh. Antaan yun eh.
Saan ba?
Huwag naman. Wala.
Okay. Okay, guys. I'll go home, I think. We'll see. Maybe we'll decide something on the way home. We'll let you know.
Yeah, kasi sayang yung araw eh. And Kim works tomorrow.
Ah,
Sayang yung araw today because ngayon yung mainit for this week.
yeah. 5 p.m. na daw. And then super sunny pa.
Mm-hmm.
Super different than
When it was,
like
during,
a week ago,
winter
no?
time. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so
Ang abrupt ng changes din talaga because from single digit na na temperature from from that single digit to 20 degrees, parang whoa.
whoa.
Whoa. Yeah.
Okay, anyways, mag-drive muna kami. So, we'll see you later pag nag-update kami sa inyo. Alright. Init, guys. Ano ngayon? 16 degrees, pero sobrang init na yung feeling. Imagine sa summer, my goodness.
I know, everyone's getting ready for summer kasi
Climate change, guys.
pinipredict nila talaga na sobrang iinit, especially dahil hindi masyadong nag-snow ngayon. So, they're really predicting na baka it's gonna be a dry summer.
It's gonna be dry. So, ang namin, advice is mag-ipon na kayo ng mga
Tubig!
ng mga tubig kasi may drought na pinipredict sila. So, yeah.
No.
Okay, mag-drive na muna kami.
Okay,
So, see you guys in a bit. Hi guys! So, nasa bahay na kami. Kanina pa actually. Tapos, kanya-kanyang ganap kami ni Kat ngayon. Naglo-laundry siya doon. Tapos, ako ay naayos ko yung switch ko. That's it. Uwi na kami agad after nun kasi para makapag-chill lang kami dito sa bahay. Nanonood kami ng mga vlogs and then manonood kami movie later. Maraming bagong movies sa Netflix eh. So, we're gonna do that. So, yeah. I don't have any other updates. So, later na lang ulit. Bye! Okay, so, nakapili na kami ng movie. It's gonna be Damsel from Netflix. And then, ito yung inaayos ko kanina.
Wait lang, wait.
This. It's my new switch. I'm just moving my data to from the switch to the SD card because I bought an SD card. Yeah.
Yeah. Are you happy with your new switch?
I'm very happy.
So she has a switch, but she is switching to OLED. So
Yeah. Who got me this?
Huh?
Who got me this?
I don't know who got you that. Present.
Well, it wasn't me. Anyways, yeah, ayan. Tapos, si Kat naghahanap ngayon ng snack, pero wala kaming snacks. Kuha ka na lang ng may inom.
What do you want?
I already have my, Perrier here.
Maybe I can have pineapple.
Yeah. So, I really like carbonated drinks.
Yeah.
Carbonated
alam niyo ba?
water.
Alam niyo ba, dati, meron kaming ang tawag nun yung pang fizz. Yung,
Oh, yeah. The, ano ba tawag doon?
forgot the name. Meron kaming ganun. But then, nawalan kami ng space sa bahay. So, we had to sell it. Kasi,
Pero
ano
kasi,
talaga?
after nun, mas nagustuhan ko talaga yung bumibili kami ng bubbly because
fresh.
masarap yung bubbly. Tapos, you can get different flavors every time.
Yeah, true.
Pero, lately, since may bubbly kami sa work, ang gusto ko sa bahay is just the
Superior.
the carbonated water. Carbonated natural spring water. And then this one is really good. Aside from this one, you know, the San Pellegrino, that one is the best one kasi may siya, sort of like
Konting flavor.
konting flavor na
Not
like
so much.
bitter or sour or something. Basta like aftertaste. Pero ang sarap, I don't know. Anyways, yeah, manonood kami ng Damsel. Here she is. So, wala kaming snacks and then hindi pa kami nagdi-dinner pero
Baka mamaya
actually,
gutumin kami.
today, 1 meal pa lang kami. Yung nakita nyo na sa A&W, yun pa lang. Tapos, it's already 7:45, hindi pa kami nagwo-workout.
7:45 and it's still bright outside.
May pa rin, slight light. Pero, yeah, anyways, we're gonna watch this movie so then we can work out after probably. Ewan ko. Kasi may barbell kami dito. Dito na lang kami mag-workout. Barbell, dumbbell.
Yeah, guys, manonood muna kami.
Hoy, BRB!